Imagine this. A man walks into a room. He's not the loudest. He doesn't demand attention. Yet the moment he steps in, people notice him. They acknowledge his presence with a nod, a glance, or even a step back. You don't know who is he or what he does. What makes him different? It's not just his words, it's his body language. The silent yet powerful tool that forces respect without a single word. This is the power of commanding body language. Here's the truth. People judge you within seconds of meeting you. And it's not your words they notice first. It's how you carry yourself. In a world where perception is reality, mastering body language is the key to gaining instant respect, whether in business, social situations, or everyday interactions. The way you move, stand, and make eye contact determines how people treat you. Today, I'll reveal 5 body language secrets that will make people respect you instantly. Think about this. Have you ever met someone who instantly commanded respect, even before they spoke? What was it about them that made you take them seriously? Was it their posture, their eye contact, or something more subtle? The answer lies in 5 key body language secrets that separate leaders from followers. Master these and people will respect you automatically. Let's dive into them one by one. 1. The power stance. The way you stand speaks volumes about your confidence. A weak stance makes you look unsure, while a strong stance exudes power. It's easy to find someone who is nervous with their posture. What to do? Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Avoid standing too narrow or too wide. Distribute your weight evenly. Don't lean too much to one side. Keep your shoulders back and relaxed. This makes you appear confident, hands visible, but controlled. Avoid fidgeting or hiding your hands. Studies show that the simple pose can boost your confidence. 2. Dominant eye contact. Eye contact is the ultimate sign of confidence. Avoiding it makes you look weak, but too much can be intimidating. Key tips for dominant eye contact. Maintain eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds. Anything longer feels aggressive. Look at the bridge of their nose if direct eye contact feels too intense. Use the triangle method. Shift your gaze between their eyes and mouth to appear natural. 3. Controlled gestures. Your hands should complement your words, not contradict them. Uncontrolled gestures make you look nervous. Use open gestures, palms slightly visible to show confidence. Avoid rapid movements. Keep gestures controlled and intentional. Match your gestures to your message. Don't overuse them. 4. The pause effect. The most confident people don't rush. They pause, creating a sense of authority and importance. Here are the key tips for the pause effect. Pause before answering. This makes you look more thoughtful. Slow your speech slightly. Rushing makes you seem nervous. Use silence as a tool. A well-timed pause adds impact. 5. Strategic touch. A well-placed touch can establish dominance in connection when done right. Here's how to use strategic touch effectively. Firm, brief handshake. Not too weak, not too crushing. Light shoulder touch when appropriate. In social settings, it builds rapport. Respect personal space. Too much touch can backfire. Respect isn't demanded, it's earned through presence. Master these 5 body language secrets, and you'll notice an instant shift in how people respond to you. Confidence is silent, but it speaks louder than words. If this guide helped you, then give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss powerful self-improvement insights. Thank you for watching.